Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about how to become an internet marketer. The role of an internet marketer can be a unique and rewarding position that allows professionals to oversee an organization's digital activities. Working as an online marketer allows those with an interest in marketing to expand their skills and work in diverse settings, potentially for multiple companies. Learning more about internet marketing can help you discover whether this type of job is right for you. In this article, we review what internet marketers do, describe how to become one and list essential skills for these roles. What do internet marketers do? An internet marketer oversees a company's online presence to help develop and maintain successful brands. They may work independently as freelance professionals or for a company as an internal employee. Some responsibilities of an internet marketer include understanding target markets. Internet marketers often research a company's target market to understand how to best promote a product or entire brand. To accomplish this, they may research a market independently or collect data from a company to use as model data. Internet marketers continuously learn throughout their careers what tone and voice apply to each market and rely on their understanding of current markets, as well as how they shift, to supply quality marketing skills to businesses aiming to expand their digital presence. Marketing a product, service or brand. Internet marketers use the data they either gather themselves or seek from businesses to market a product, service or brand. This might include a new product, line of products, service or an overall brand. Internet marketers may perform several tasks to achieve this goal, such as overseeing a social media page, communicating within a team of other marketers or presenting publicly at events. Although internet marketers' primary aim is to market a product successfully online, they can also complete a wide range advertising duties, depending on what they're selling. Creating content. In addition to marketing duties, internet marketers also create content individually as freelancers or for companies as an internal employee. This can include websites, digital ads or social media accounts, for which they may create video advertisements, posts and paid advertisements. They often interact with customers by distributing questionnaires, troubleshooting issues or answering questions about a product or service. Not only does this allow brands to improve their reputation, but it also encourages these professionals to remain knowledgeable concerning the products they want to sell. Implementing SEO tactics. Another responsibility of internet marketers is to employ search engine optimization (SEO) strategies in their advertising campaigns. SEO tactics entail marketing employees using specific keywords in online material to rank highly on search engine results pages. This relies heavily on both understanding target markets and possessing knowledge of SEO content concerning search engines. Here are 4 steps you can follow to become an internet marketer effectively. 1. Consider getting a degree. Employers don't always require internet marketing candidates to possess a degree. However, earning a degree in a related field may help prospective professionals secure roles. A degree in marketing or a similar field can help students learn concepts, such as SEO and social media advertising practices, and solidify skills, such as communication and time management, to ensure success when pursuing internet marketing roles in the future. 2. Maintain current industry knowledge. As you study marketing either independently or through college courses, it may be important to learn about current market trends for the industry in which you want to advertise. Maintaining current knowledge and understanding how industry trends change can help you communicate effectively with other marketing professionals and hiring managers during interviews. Consider also learning about the history of the industry in which you want to advertise, as other marketing professionals may use historical trends and campaigns as references for new ones. 3. Develop a portfolio. When you've either graduated or determine you're ready to pursue internet marketing roles, consider developing your portfolio. This can include many types of marketing work, such as internship tasks or freelance work. Examples of past work can prove to a hiring manager that you have the knowledge and skills required to become an effective internet marketer. 4. Learn how to code. As you aim to secure entry-level roles, consider learning how to code. Coding skills can help widen your job prospects, since internet marketers often create websites or social media pages for companies. If you want to pursue freelance work, understanding how to program can also help you become more independent and capable of monitoring and monetizing your own business. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.